If your Rheem AC blower is running continuously, even when the cooling cycle is off, the first step is identifying the root cause. Common culprits include thermostat settings, a stuck relay, or a faulty limit switch. Begin by checking your thermostat. Ensure the fan setting is set to auto and not on. If it's on, the fan will run continuously. If the thermostat is set to auto, proceed to inspecting the blower relay. The relay controls power to the blower motor. A stuck or shorted relay can cause continuous operation. If the relay is not the issue, inspect the limit switch, which monitors furnace temperature. A faulty limit switch can cause continuous blower operation as a safety measure. Remember to consult your unit's wiring diagram and prioritize safety when working with electrical components. If you're not comfortable with these checks, contact a qualified technician. Once you've identified the likely cause, you can begin troubleshooting and repair. If the thermostat was the issue, simply switching the fan setting to auto resolves the problem. If a stuck relay is suspected, try gently tapping it to see if it dislodges. If that doesn't work, the relay needs to be replaced. Purchase the correct replacement relay for your Rheem model from a reputable HVAC parts supplier. Disconnect power to the unit before replacing any electrical components. Carefully remove the old relay and install the new one, ensuring proper connections. If the limit switch is faulty, it also needs replacement. Locate the limit switch, usually near the furnace burner, and replace it with a compatible part. Ensure the new limit switch has the same temperature rating as the original. After replacing the relay or limit switch, restore power to the unit and observe if the blower now cycles correctly. If the blower continues to run, more complex issues like a faulty control board could be the problem. In that case, calling a qualified HVAC technician is highly recommended. A technician can diagnose the issue and repair your system.